Hey small business owners, if you've purchased a custom domain for your Marty Sites website, that was a very smart move because having a custom domain for your website makes it look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors. But if you can't quite remember who you purchased your domain from, I'm going to be showing you a handy trick today that shows you where your domain was purchased from. Let's jump in. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video, you actually haven't launched a website on Marty Sites, you aren't familiar with Marty Sites yet. Marty Sites is an easy-to-use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. You can literally launch a website for only $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in. So be sure to click on the link below this video to get started with that 7-day free trial. I've already launched a website on the Marty Sites platform for my local business, as you can see, and I have purchased a custom domain as well, but I can't quite remember who I purchased it from. I'm going to head over, click on stop editing and find my domain. Let's head over to the site dashboard. Over here is my custom domain, peachcleaning.com. I'm going to copy that, and then in your browser, you're going to go to whois.domaintools.com. The link is below, and all we need to do is enter domain or IP address. I'm going to paste it over here and click on search. This tool will automatically tell me who my domain is registered with. Very helpful. Awesome. So it's now searching for my domain. Let's have a look. And obviously we need to a validation request. Yeah, I've now confirmed I'm not a robot and going to click on go so it can analyze my domain and tell me who it's registered with. Great. So now you have all the records for your domain, peachcleaning.com. The registrar is IONOS, which is absolutely correct. It's got the URL, the servers, and all the information on my domain, the location, the address. It's super helpful. So if you can't quite remember who your domain is registered with, just type this in, whois.domaintools.com. The link is down below, and copy and paste or put it in your custom domain over there. It will easily give you all the information no matter who it is registered to. Remember, if you don't have a website yet for your local business, do check out Marty Sites. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. If you have any questions about the platform, do pop them down below. I'll be happy to answer them, and check out our other videos. You'll find loads of valuable information on marketing your local business. All the best.